Alright, practice problem 9.9 says predict the bond angles around each carbon atom in acetonitrile. Okay, and then describe the hybridization at each carbon atom and determine the number of sigma and pi bonds in the molecule. Alright, and so if we look at this, okay, first thing we can note is that we basically have a carbon with a hydrogen, an R group, a hydrogen, and a hydrogen, okay? And then our other carbon is basically just a triple bond between nitrogen. Okay. Well, if we look at this first one, okay, what we notice is that carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay, and that is going to mean that each one has 109.5 degrees. Okay. If we look at the second part, this carbon, okay, we can see that it's got two bonds, right? A triple bond and a single bond, which means that it's going to be sp hybridized. Okay, and so that means it's 180 degrees, okay, between those bonds. So if we look at the, it says describe the hybridization at each carbon atom and determine the number of sigma and pi bonds in the molecule. So we're looking at overall number of sigma bonds and pi bonds. So our sigma bonds, okay, if we look at this, we have one here, 2, 3, 4, and 5 sigma bonds. Okay, so we have 5 sigma bonds. And if we look at our pi bonds, okay, we have basically just one triple bond, okay, and that triple bond means that we have a total of 2 pi bonds, because triple bond is made up of 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds.